Good job. That was so cute. Bubbles is trying to go in your hand, but he's so scared. Okay, there. Okay, you can do it, Bubbles. You can do it, Bubbles. He's about to get on your hand. Good job. Oh my God, that was so good. Good job, Bubbles. Good job. He did such a good job. He needs more practice. Hey you guys, here we are with Frosty and Bubbles again. Bubbles is down there and Andrew is giving him millets. And Frosty is all the way up there hanging out. That is the cutest thing ever, eating millets from Andrew's hand. I will be showing you guys on this video the responsibility it takes to actually take care of your pet birds, and in my case 2 budgies. So as you can see, this is their designated spot over here. They have their little tree, they have their cage, they have their mirror over there, and they usually hang out the whole day on that little spot. Hi Frosty. Hi baby. And there's Bubbles eating his millets. There's your cutie pie. He really finished everything, and that was fast. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get more today, but they love millets. We usually get this one at Target, and I think it's, I don't know, about $5 for a bag or something like that. I usually use this paper that we get in the mail. I use it for under the tree, and I also use it over here. Any kind of paper that I don't use or I don't need, I use it for Bubbles and Frosty. Okay, tree is ready, all clean. I already put clean paper under the tree over here and over there, and I try to clean the poop as much as possible. Right now we have the table here with the cage, so we're just gonna move it back to where it belongs. It's heavy. I wish I had a smaller table. We're gonna put this over here. They need new water, new food, and then we're gonna jump and clean that side because they usually hang out there also. Andrew made that beautiful wooden house, I don't know, months ago, and he put it over there, and the birds just love hanging out there. So I need to clean that up, clean everything up there. Over here also, they usually like to hang out around my money tree, but mostly they hang out over here. Look at them. Hi babies, are you guys having fun with the beautiful wooden house that Andrew made you? They're so beautiful. Hi baby, I love when you sing. You guys are the cutest. Everything is clean. I'm happy. Look at Frosty and Bubbles hanging out over there. They're the cutest things ever. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about Bubbles and Frosty, let me know. Or if you guys can request another video, let me know also. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, since Andrew found out that Bubbles is a male and Frosty is a female, he wants them to lay eggs.
Keep at least one bird.
Maybe. I wish we had a bigger house so we can get more birds, but we don't. So I wanted to buy a nest, and Andrew's like, no, I'll do it myself, And look at the nest he made for them. Isn't that the cutest nest ever? So he's gonna put it next to their cage, and he wants to see if Frosty lays eggs in there. Are they eating breakfast with you? They're so cute. They're so adorable. Does that thing has millets, or do they need a new one?
It has a lot of millets.
Oh really? Okay, good.
It looks like they don't, but it's because before they ate a little bit. But I'm thinking not to put a lot of millets. I don't know how to explain it. Like for them to finish that one.
Oh, so they should finish that one and then you give them another one.
Yeah. So we don't keep on wasting.
That's a good idea. Oh my god, I hope she doesn't fall.